What's up, YouTube? I'm out in the Tacoma today. As you may have seen in a previous episode, I installed the mole rack that goes up in the ceiling on the double cab, as you can see in the background. Thanks for taking the time to watch that video. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. I always say that because you could be doing a million other things right now, and at this point you're watching this. Don't go away too quickly. I've got probably one of the easiest, maybe simplest, and just real inexpensive installs to do. It's just for fun, so we're just gonna have a little fun with this one. Gonna switch the camera around. Before I do, please make sure when you get to the end of the video you subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, comment on the video. I appreciate it. This shouldn't take too long and we'll be done and moving on to the next one. So what we're looking at right now is the emblem on the steering wheel. And as you can see, it's pretty dirty. And all we want to do today is put on a Blackout emblem. Picked this up on Amazon. I think it was right at maybe 10 bucks. Comes with the tape already installed. So this will be something just easy peel and stick. And that'll black out the emblem on the steering wheel. So one thing I am going to do is, because if I'm pushing on this to push that Blackout label down, I'm probably going to keep pushing the horn, and I'm not trying to get anybody's attention while I'm doing this, so I'm going to clean this up. What I'm going to use is a cleaning wipe and clean this up real good so the tape is going to adhere well. But first I'm going to go out to the fuse box under the hood and pull the fuse for the horn, and we'll get back in here. So if you haven't lost it yet, your fuse puller is actually in the cover. Real handy. And if you look at the fuses here going down the line, we've got our, sorry I'm a little bit too low, there we go, ETCS, Alt-S, EFI, and horn. So the 10 amp, which is a red fuse, right, let's see if I can even point at it, I'm not very good at this, so right there, there's our 10 amp horn. So we take our fuse puller, little gator mouth here, we're gonna put that on the 10 amp. That's the 10 amp in the line. You know, this is, if you're looking at this diagram, everything is mapped out in the orientation that all the fuses and relays are in here. So the 10 amp, now when you clip it on, you kind of hold it from the back like this to open it, snap it onto the fuse like so, and then don't hold it at the top, or you're just going to unclip it, hold it closer to the fuse and pull. Now the 10 amp fuse horn has been pulled. And of course we can always test this theory with no horn when you push the steering wheel in. So let me get the cleaning wipe out, we'll get this cleaned up and open up the package and get the backing off the tape and get this Blackout emblem put on the steering wheel. So there's before. And there's after. So, I got a blacked out steering wheel. As you can tell, the chrome one I had on there before was pretty scratched up anyway, so looks a lot better now, and I don't know, a little more Batman-ish. As usual, quick and easy install. Link will be in the description, and we'll move on to the next one now. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe. I appreciate it. Last time I checked, I think I was at 705 on the subscribers, trying to get to that 1,000 mark. So please help me out with that by sharing the video, and if you know anybody that's looking for any of the previous Tacoma mods I've done in my Tacoma mod playlist here, the link will be in the description as well. Please check those videos out, and again, thanks for taking the time to watch, and I'll see you next time.